What's up, guys? Jason Minto Show. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. All right, guys, so it's Friday, April 18th. It's Good Friday. Say Jesus died on the cross for us. So yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful evening. I thought I'd come out here and split a little bit before we have dinner. I think we're making tuna steaks tonight. So Sherilyn's gonna handle that. Yeah, we had a run on Firewood today. So it's starting, guys. It's starting the season. A lot of people are down, probably heading down here for Easter and spring break. Spring break's upon us. So yeah, I had, Sherilyn was off today, so she was actually bundling a lot of firewood for me because that was something I just didn't get done. I was mowing grass last night, and before I knew it was 7:30. We didn't even have dinner yet, and the day just got away from me. So she jumped in. I think she bundled like 36 bundles. Yeah, Sherilyn got after it today. So there's some remnants of what was left over today. And so I'm just gonna put the cover back on here and we'll put this all back together before it rains here. But yeah, she was busy today. Okay, put that right there. Put a couple bricks on her so she don't go anywhere. There we go. Call it good. So yeah, we're going through this pile pretty quick. And then we have another pile down there, it'll be next. But yeah, so let's go split some oak. I have a bunch of oak ready to go that I pulled over. But I was kind of looking at the hydraulic level on my splitter and it looked a little low. So let's get it uncovered and let's take a look and see where the level's at here real quick. Here we go. Let's take a look here. I'm pretty sure the splitter's pretty level, but I was looking here at the level gauge here. And it says full cold, and it looks a little low to me. So let's go ahead and add, I actually had to order hydraulic fluid, and you know, I ordered AMSOIL. I love my AMSOIL. So on top of the machine, they want AW32 hydraulic oil. So here's what I bought. This is AMSOIL. This is the ISO 32 commercial grade hydraulic oil. And this comes in a 2.5 gallon container. So this is what we're going to use and we'll get that level filled up here. All right, guys, so we'll let you kind of watch the gauge as we add our hydraulic fluid on there. Really not sure how fast it'll fill it up. I'm gonna try to keep an eye on it here. I didn't bring a funnel. I'm gonna try to just free it. Free bird here. Oh, spilled a little bit. How we doing? Just a little bit more. And should have brought a funnel. All right, let's go with it there. All right, there we go. Now we're full. Now we just need a rag. All right, guys, I got a rag here. So if you go to fill that, maybe next time, next time you should use a funnel. That would have been smart. All right, so let's go ahead and get her started. Drop our thing down here. There we go. Let's check our hours. We are at 17.5 hours. So we're slowly creeping up to 20. And we'll have to do an oil change. So key, a little bit of throttle, a little bit of choke, hit it. as always for Jamie, my buddy Jamie. Efficiency he wants. Well, efficiency is what he's gonna get. All right. Yeah, while we're waiting for everything to cool down, went through about maybe a dozen or so rounds. It's about almost 7:30. I wanted to get something done this evening. I didn't have a lot of time. I had a meeting with a local auto repair center to see about becoming a commercial AMSOIL client. So I'm gonna work some numbers, see if we can help out this gentleman and his family. But that's what we got done today. That's looking really good. And we have some more to do on the other side. We'll probably knock that out tomorrow. And we'll see what else we can get after. But I'm just gonna wrap this up. Gonna go grab some firewood so we can have a fire and enjoy our dinner tonight. So, all right, guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful Easter weekend. I'll probably catch up with you guys tomorrow and see what goes on. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.